Secure retirement.
Because peace of mind is real wealth.
Welcome to our discussion of investment strategies to help you achieve a financially secure retirement. I'm Richard Morey.
And I'm Jeff Warren. As we all know, the U.S. stock market has enjoyed a long bull run, taking a brief dip in March of 2020 and then resuming its upward momentum. Like us, our viewers probably hear many differing views on whether this momentum will continue much longer or if there'll be some sort of market correction or even crash, bringing on losses. Secure Retirement's position is neutral. We're not concerned with either direction the market takes or even if inflation hits. More about this in a moment.
Today we'll be talking about investment approaches that are especially appropriate for retirement savings. The portfolios we'll be discussing are designed to capture market growth while investing half the portfolio in proven hedges. We'll talk more about this in just a bit. But first, Jeff, can you explain the best growth opportunities we see out there today?
Richard, as you know, we're focusing on industries of the new economy that are expected to have exponential growth for years to come. They include data centers, enhanced wireless communications, clean energy, traditional and sustainable infrastructure, and environmental technology. The companies and funds that we target are directly invested in these industries.
In other words, these are the sectors that will be leading the economy throughout the next decade. Of course, along with targeting growth, everyone wants to know how to effectively protect their retirement money. A commonly recommended portfolio in much of the financial industry puts 60% of your holdings in stocks and 40% in bonds. The idea is that when stocks go down, bonds go up. However, this doesn't always happen as planned. First, the diversification in stocks that you're counting on, whether they're domestic or international, can disappear the moment real risk hits the stock market. They may all go down in unison. Simultaneously, your bonds may not even begin to compensate for the stock losses. Although values can recover quickly, a sustained downturn like this could last a long, long time, which is, of course, a huge concern for those in retirement.
Richard, that reminds me of a point that I'd like to make here. Look at these beautiful cars here. Who wouldn't want to own them and drive them? There's only one problem. No seat belts or airbags. And that's the state of a large percentage of investment portfolios today.
Good point, Jeff. And that's why, in our view, it's essential to make sure to hedge your bets effectively. One of the key ingredients in proper diversification these days involves something called managed futures. You might call this our secret sauce. This graph shows how well the managed futures sector has performed in past market downturns. The more severe the downturn, the better they tend to perform. You can see, almost like a mirror image, how the net asset value of managed futures tends to rise as the market falls. This is one of the main reasons managed futures have been such a big part of the investment strategies used by the ultra-wealthy.
As we mentioned, our growth investments focus on the digital economy, sustainable infrastructure, and the energy transition. Many of our clients tell us they feel good investing in our planet's future, and we feel good about how these investments are outperforming many other sectors. Now, at the end of the day, it's true that you can invest in practically any portfolio of blue chip stocks, and given a long enough time horizon, it usually works out fine. However, as investment managers, we understand the needs of investors who may not have such a long time horizon and who may need a strategy that's more involved and active. Here at Secure Retirement, we've gained a seasoned perspective over many investment cycles on some of the best ways to address this need.
These growth and protection portfolios have been decades in the making. Not to be too dramatic, but we feel the right portfolio is like building a beautiful castle, which has a deep moat around it filled with crocodiles. In other words, growth with real protection. We'd be happy to discuss how our strategies might help you achieve your financial goals. Just give us a call, because at the end of the day, peace of mind is real wealth.